Same intelligence, same work ethic, two brothers. But only one of them is actually getting richer, and it has nothing to do with how hard he works. Ryan gets a raise every year. Ryan works overtime. Ryan is exhausted, and his bank account barely moves. Adam works fewer hours than Ryan, but every year Adam gets richer, even in his sleep. Here's the truth almost nobody says out loud. A salary has a ceiling. It's taxed before it even reaches your hand, and it stops the moment you stop working. But assets? Assets don't sleep. A stock, a business, a rental property, they can grow forever, whether you're working or not. This is exactly how the wealthiest people on Earth operate. Larry Ellison, co-founder of Oracle, takes a salary of basically zero. Instead, he borrows against billions in stock he already owns. It's called buy, borrow, die. Buy an asset, borrow against it instead of selling it, and when it's passed on, the debt and the tax can disappear. And here's the number that should make you angry. 26 of America's richest billionaires paid an average tax rate of just 4.8% on $500 billion of wealth growth. Not because they broke the law, because the system taxes income, not ownership. Ryan isn't poor because he doesn't work hard enough. He's stuck because he's only ever been taught to sell his time. The real shift isn't earning more. It's owning something that earns for you. That's the actual difference between being rich and being wealthy.